Test 4 on propositions. Identify whether the following sentences are propositions or not. Please sit down. Is it a proposition? Of course, it is not a proposition because it is a statement of politeness and it doesn't have any truth value. What do I mean when I say it doesn't have any truth value? You see, when you look at the statement, please sit down, we cannot say whether it is true or false. So when we cannot say whether it is true or false, we say it doesn't have a truth value. And when there is no truth value, that statement is not a proposition. Remember, statements of politeness will not have truth values, and hence they are not propositions. Let's take one more example. Please drink water. Is it a proposition? Of course, it is not a proposition because it is a statement of politeness and it doesn't have a truth value. And because it doesn't have a truth value, it is not a proposition. Let's take one more example. Please take rest. Is it a proposition? Of course, it is not a proposition because it is a statement of politeness, and statements of politeness will not have any truth values. And when there are no truth values, those statements are not propositions. So the lesson is, sentences of politeness are not propositions because they do not have truth values. What do I mean when I say they do not have truth values? We cannot say whether they are true or false. And when we cannot say whether they are true or false, we say they do not have truth values. And because they do not have truth values, they are not propositions.